Come on. Come on. Want to roll over? Come on, sweetie. Come on. Come on, Julio. Let's roll over. Come on. Come on. Let's roll over. That's a boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm going to massage your feet. Yes, sirree. Oh, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You are. You're such a good boy. Yeah, doesn't that feel good, huh? Oh, yes, it does. Yes. He loves to roll over and get his feet massaged. Sometimes he's in a better mood than other times, but he knows that the camera's on, so he's not quite himself today. But make a little fist, Julio. Come on, make a little fist. Come on. Oh, he made a little fist. Look at that. He made a little fist. He made two little fists. Yes, he did. Yes. Oh, yeah. Does that tickle? Huh? Sometimes this stuff tickles, doesn't it? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Yes, sirree. I think you could go to sleep with this, couldn't you? Sometimes he does go to sleep. Yes. He's my little baby. Though he come out of the wild and he was quite fierce when I first got him. Took me 5 years to train this little guy. But now look at him. Yes, sir. He likes to chew on my finger as a security blanket. Let's massage your feet a little more. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, yes. Think you need your nails clipped today, too, don't you? Hmm? Yeah. Conures are not very good talkers. They might, at least most of them, they might pick up a few phrases along the way, but they're more known for their tricks. He has a few tricks. They're a little difficult to get on camera because of one-handedness trying to do the tricks, because he does them on my finger. Okay. Do you want to get up on my finger and do some tricks? Huh? Do you want to get up here and stretch your lever? Okay, let's see if you can stretch your lever. Well, we're all done for